So I have here my JBL Everest 710 GA wireless Bluetooth headphones. And I want to show you how to recharge the battery here. In case you heard here this little announcement that your battery is low, so you want to recharge it. And you do that by checking here on the left earpiece on the bottom. There you see here this little micro USB charging port. And you're going to take here the USB cable that came with the headphones, and you have here the small micro USB connector, and you're going to plug that in. And be careful when you plug it in, because you want to make sure you put it in really straight. Make sure you don't like bend the connector or something, or the port by accident. Always put it in straight. And then you're going to take the other end of the cable and you plug that into a charging cube, into a USB charging cube. So for example, I have here my JBL charging cube, but you can also use the one from your smartphone, from your iPhone or your Samsung phone. They all work the same. So you just connect the other end of the cable here with that, and then you plug this into your power source. So I have here my power strip. I'm going to plug that in, and now it's going to charge here. I believe the charging time is about 2 hours for a full charge. And while this is charging, you can see here right next to the micro USB port on the headphones here, you see the little red LED, and that indicates when it's constantly red here that this is right now charging. And you can tell that the battery is fully charged as soon as this LED here turns off. So just like this here. And at this point we can simply disconnect here the USB cable from the charger, and then also we pull the plug here from the from the headphones. And again, you want to be really careful when you do that. Don't twist and turn the connector here, so otherwise you may damage the charging port over time, and then these headphones are useless for using them with Bluetooth. So always make sure to pull them out straight, and you are ready to roll. Okay, so I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to check out my other videos about these headphones, and if you have any questions, leave a comment below.